We sell 3 color versions of our straps online. We have the black, we have the tan, and then we have wacky, which is various webbing colors and stitching colors, like all of our wacky stuff. We sell these separately on the website so that you can buy it a la carte. Here we have a nice little whistle. You're gonna need that. Yeah, that's nice. You can see there's a nice split bar so that the webbing can slide through one side and then over that center bar and under the outsides. So that one's done. Make sure when you install your whistle lock that the whistle's pointed up. And then the female end of the buckle.
Just goes on the other side, right through those little slits. And now you're in action.
For the bottom, stretched out, it's going to have this metal tri-glide with the buckle on the end of the webbing. But remove the buckle, slide the webbing folded in first through the 1-inch common loop and pull it tight, and that metal tri-glide is going to work like a catch. Then simply reinstall your buckle back through the letter lock. Repeat on the other side.
Come from the outside to the inside, pull it tight till that common loop catches, re-loop the female buckle.
Click it, and you're ready to go.